My dear scholars, my dear students, while considering the importance of the knowledge economy and looking at the process of managing the knowledge, many management scholars and professors around the world have presented those concepts and frameworks and theories how to employ and deploy this important resource. One of the important model how to create and discover new knowledge while working in the organization, in especially manufacturing organization, has been presented by Professor Nonaka of Japan. Professor Nonaka, being a graduate of Berkeley, PhD in business administration from University of California, Berkeley, working at different Japanese organizations like Sharp, Canon, Panasonic, he discovered those practices which were going on, which are adding new features and functions into the product design, and how the individuals working in the organization and how the products in which the new knowledge is embedded and how innovation can be brought into the process and culture of the organization. He presented Siki model. Let's try to learn what this model is. This model is for new knowledge creation. It is presented after research into the practices of the manufacturing organization, but I think the model itself is so comprehensive that it can be used for any organization, may it be for-profit or not-for-profit, may it be healthcare or educational or any other organization, if they are interested in creating new knowledge. Let's look at Siki model. Before we look at the Siki model, Professor Nonaka introduced a concept which he borrowed from a Hungarian researcher, Polanyi. Polanyi, being a philosopher, presented that, look, there is a distinction between explicit knowing and tacit knowing. What you know explicitly, and what is its significance, and what you know tacitly, and what is its significance. Professor Nonaka borrowed these two terms of differentiating knowledge into two types, explicit and tacit. Explicit क्या है? This is the type of knowledge which can be put into words and text and files and can be transmitted to others by using technology. This is the knowledge which you find in the books, in the manuals, in the standard operating procedures, in the journals. This is the knowledge which is in the form of a text, in words, computer files, sent from one place to another, clearly worded, clearly communicated, explicit. What is tacit? Tacit knowledge cannot be formalized. It's my knowledge. It's my knowing. It's my experience. It's my idea. It's my skill set. It's my mindset. It's what I know and you do not. Tacit knowledge cannot be formalized. It's informal. It's very much inherent in person, not in systems. This makes it much harder to transmit or to disseminate. And even when it is transmitted or disseminated or shared, it is difficult to understand. But it is 80% more important than the explicit. Professor Nonaka placed this combination and interchange of tacit and explicit in Seekie model for knowledge creation. Remember now, Seekie model is for knowledge creation. It has 4 quadrants: socialization, Seekie, S for socialization, E for externalization, C for combination, I for internalization. Socialization means knowledge is passed through practice, through guidance, through imitation, through observation, from a master to junior, from a master to apprentice. उस्ताद छोटे को सिखाता है, छोटा ऑब्जर्व करता है, कॉपी करता है, प्रैक्टिस करता है. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम छोटा भी मास्टर बन जाता है, बट इट इज इन द सोशल एनवायरमेंट. छोटा मास्टर की इज्जत नहीं करेगा, उसको ना वो देखने देगा, ना वो सिखाएगा, ना वो कॉपी करने देगा. क्या ख्याल है? हां, अगर इज्जत के साथ साथ एक चाय का कप भी उसको पिला दे तो मास्टर सब कुछ बताने के लिए तैयार होगा. सोशलाइजेशन. सो फॉर क्रिएशन ऑफ नॉलेज, for transfer of tacit knowledge of the master to the tacit knowledge of the apprentice. Socialization. Externalization. This involves developing new concepts, new models. Combination. Different people listening to the same idea, putting it together, coming up with one best practice. And internalization, whatever the one best practice is, let's put it into practice. Let's learn it by heart. Let's learn it by hand. Let's put it in our mind. So then we don't have to read it again. And we will keep on doing it again and again. And the cycle is repeated. Seekie model for knowledge creation. Thank you.